LS123 UV power meter is compact and portable. The top is the receiving probe. There are 3 soft keys on the front, which are power key, data locking key and 0% key. Short press the power key to turn on the meter. Now using a UV flashlight to simulate the light source to test. The distance between the flashlight and the instrument need to be fixed, and then turn on the flashlight. The radiation intensity of ultraviolet light tested by the instrument is 6,159 microwatt/per square centimeters. Besides the radiation intensity, the instrument can also measure the ultraviolet rejection rate of the material. Putting in the test material before, short press the 0% key, which means the current state of UV rejection rate is 0%. Now put in a piece of white glass. You can see that the white glass rejection rate of ultraviolet light is 99.7%, and the intensity of UV light received by the instrument becomes 22.9 microwatt/per square centimeters. Short press the hold key to lock the data for relaxing reading. LS123 UV power meter is widely used to test the ultraviolet rejection capability of insulated glass, solar film and other materials because it can visually demonstrate the thermal insulation effect of various materials, clear and concise.